Wow, guys, I find it challenging to express my feelings towards this broccoli, considering that just weeks ago I was feeding of this plant and now I am harvesting it. This is month of July. Akala ko makaharvest ako sa spring pa, which is month of September, pero hindi. Ito na nga, nakaharvest na ako at nakagulay na ako. Oh my God, ang bilis talaga nilang tumubo, guys. So I believe the saying that when you plant something, there is a harvest. Totoo pala yan. Pag masipag ka lang magtanim at aalagaan mo ng mabuti, ayun, yun ang rewarding mo talaga, guys. So I can only imagine how it must feel to see the fruits of my labor grow and flourish like this broccoli. Ayan. So if you want a farmer or a gardener, alagaan mo lang ng mabuti, magsipag ka lang, sipag at tiyaga lang. Alagaan mo ng mabuti para din ka, makatanggap ka nito ng mga yung maganda nilang bunga, no? Yun lang, sipag at tiyaga. Very easy to grow lang ito, guys. Planting broccoli here in Australia is autumn, which is month of March. Yung March is parang autumn na dito sa amin, pero summer pa yan. It's a very late summer. So April, so pwede na yan, April. Wag lang sana late. May parang late na ata yan. So April is the best. Between March and April. Ayan, itong isang maliit na styrofoam box na puno na sa ating mga hinarvest na broccoli. Ito po yun na ating broccoli. Fresh na fresh harvest. Si handpick. Ayan, ang dami, no? It's beautiful, very fresh.